Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have questions. I work on Toyotas most of the times and I work on pretty much everything and anything, but I'm not really fan of Chevy. 2016 Sierra Black Widow Edition. This truck is coming for a full detail interior exterior polishing and ceramic. So this is a big ticket. Now besides that I'm doing the cabin air filter. Look at that. I'm doing cabin air filter and I'm gonna throw the ozone machine to remove all the smell from the inside. I already did the interior, but it gets dirty now, and that's where I have my questions. I just did the carpet. Tomorrow I'm gonna work on the rest of the interior, finish it. Then I'm gonna come to the outside, wash, decontamination, clay bar, polishing, ceramic. But for this episode, I have a question for Chevy guys. You have to remove this cover from underneath, and kind of annoying because some of the bolts are on the back. You can even put a screwdriver. Kind of annoying. That's why I have all these tools and screws, and I have everything laying around because this is not what I do. My question is for you guys, the guys that have Chevys, GMCs, and you guys work on these vehicles. The filter was like that. So probably someone who doesn't work on these vehicles put that on. The problem that my client has, he told me every time that he turned the AC on, it sounds like a tractor, especially when he put the AC on full blast. The sound, it was from over there, but actually it was from the filter. So I removed the blower, few leaves, I removed the leaves, and then I removed the filter. Now it doesn't sound at all, it's really quiet. But my question is, how do you put the filter straight? Because if you have one of these vehicles, I mean, probably you know, or if you're working at the dealership and you know, you have to remove the cover, and then right in there you see that's where the filter goes. So you remove the cover and you pull the filter out. How you put it in without damaging the filter? You can tell right there, somebody just jammed that filter in there and it wasn't straight, it was tilted down, and the blower, it was hitting on it. So that's why it was really loud when they have the AC on. I already fixed that, but you can get access like in Toyotas from here, from the glove box. Everything is covered on the back. So I have to pull the filter, put the filter in there and just push it. That's what I have to do, I guess. So please let me know. Any information is gonna be appreciated because I don't wanna finish with that like the last person who put it, and it looks like it's been a long time before they put the cabinet filter. So if you know, let me know please, and thank you.